Well, welcome back, guys. As you can see, we've got the front lid on. We're going to take it out for a drive and see how some of our improvements are working together. You might get one thing working and then something else doesn't work, so getting all of these things that we've been trying to get together before or after the last drive. There was a lot of stuff, right? So hopefully it'll work together. Let's check it out. You ready?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I'm recording.
So you won't go into first.
Goes in a second.
disconnect for that brake thing.
So you can kill it.
Well, okay, not everything's perfect. As you saw, getting it into first gear was a bit of a task. So I got to figure out what that is. But apparently the heat shield is working. It's no longer sticky through the rest of the gears. So maybe it's just a travel problem with first gear. I don't know. So I'm going to go in and play around with that. No more oil out the exhaust pipes. So that's good. That means that the turbos are sealed and they're not having a problem and leaking into the exhaust. So had a little oil burning off in the rear from oil that I spilt and various other leaks that I've fixed and whatnot, but nothing coming out the tailpipes. So good deal there. Good oil pressure. I get 30 while it's idling and 40 and some change if I put a little bit of RPMs into the engine. The engine sounds better because I did find a vacuum, potential vacuum leak that I fixed. So it starts on a dime now. It's not zher, 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 boom, and then kind of dies. Now you fire it up and it fires up first time. So that's always good to hear. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm really happy and jazzed about having some of these things fixed. Thing I didn't mention was the steering. The steering's actually nice and smooth, so it's not having any issues like, having any slop or anything in it. So even though we have a lot of those U-joints in there, it seemed to do okay. But anyway, thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.